I love Amazon. I love being an Amazon Prime member. There's a lot of perks that you get with being an Amazon Prime member. Like, you get savings on purchases. You also get, free shipping, sometimes same day shipping. And something that I'm just finding out is you also get sometimes a lot of free um, Kindle stuff. So you have free Prime Video. You get like Amazon Wardrobe where you can try out clothes, order them and try them out. They send it to your house, and if you don't like those clothes, you just send it back. If you like them, you get to pay for them. But I'm kind of mad at Amazon right now because with their free, like some of the free stuff that books that they give on Kindle. This is the Kindle app on Amazon, okay? And let me dim this a little bit so you guys can see. And as you guys can see, this is what I have to work with when reading my Amazon Kindle books. I can tap it. Number one, there's also no dark mode on this, but like, where is the part for settings where you think this would be settings right here to make the this thing fit into the page? I could like do this, but then you know, um, I tried to use wide mode like so, but then you still have this in the middle. It's kind of distracting, right? I could read it this way, but it's still kind of distracting either way. So where is the part for making this page fit to the screen? Like if I go back and we go to more and then settings, there's nothing in the settings to make you know the page fit to the screen like you could on, say, your computer. And you could download the Kindle app for the computer, but when I'm reading, I used to I like reading in bed. And now I could probably like now I could get my Asus VivoBook Flip 14 and read it on there with the Amazon app. But this VivoBook is almost, or it is 3 pounds, and so I can hold it like I could only hold it like this for so long before my hands start to get tired and my forearms start to get tired, which is kind of good and bad. I've been able to work my forearms, as you guys can see. Yeah. But no, I do not like holding this up for too long to read my ebooks or like going through a web page and reading it. So, and I'm probably late. Amazon wants you to buy their Kindle readers, right? But a Kindle reader, that's all it's good for, is for reading ebooks. So instead, I got this, a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Well, now you might be thinking the S7. Why didn't you get an S7 Plus or something like that, right? I thought about it and I checked it out when I went to Best Buy. But a Tab S7 is almost the size of this. And when you consider I'm going to buy the keyboard cover case for it, then it's going to be almost another VivoBook Flip 14. So this, I got it because it's, number one, it was way heck of a lot cheaper. So the S7, this, I have the one with the 128 gigs, 6 gigabytes. I don't need all that storage like 512 for my purposes and for what I need. I'm not going to use it as a PC replacement, so I can go with the minimum 128 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM. The cheapest one goes for like brand new is $566. And then a Tab S7, it can go anywhere from like 730, I believe, to all the way up to like 849. And that's just for the 128 gig version of both. I was thinking of going contract with T-Mobile and getting it through T-Mobile, but theirs, because it's a 5G version, just to add the 5G radio chips and everything, the S7 Plus or even the S7, they're like way more. The S7 Plus was like over $1,000, 1,049, and then the down payment just to put it, just to put it on contract was half the price of the actual Tab S7 itself, right? And then you got to pay it over 24 months. So that is why I got this. And I know I'm pretty late, but I want to give you guys my unboxing experience and then my review of this later on in the future. So first things first, taking a look at the box. Nothing much. You just have the picture of the Galaxy Tab S7. Right here on the sides is your model number and serial code. So you guys don't need to see that. Nothing here on this side. Nothing. Well, you have a side view of the Tab S7. And that's pretty much it on the sides. On the bottom is the box contents. Package contains Galaxy Tab S7, 11-inch, S Pen, wall USB charger, quick start guide, Samsung terms and conditions. And another reason why I finally decided I'm going to get this is because the next Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8, you're really going to have to consider how much storage you want, because the way things are going with Samsung, they're probably not going to have expandable storage. I bought a 256 gigabyte SD card to go with this S7, so I can expand the memory if I need to, at least the storage. And with the way things are going with Samsung, trying to be like Apple with their, it's frustrating. This will be an off topic, and I don't want to get off topic. So it's really frustrating what Samsung is trying to do right now, being the next Apple. So we won't talk about too much into that, but who knows? Your next Tab S8, you might not get the wall USB charger. They probably won't include the USB charging, like they didn't include it with their the charging brick on their Galaxy S21s, right? So these are probably the last ones. And like I said, I don't need that much power. I don't need that much storage. It's just, given the choice between getting an ebook reader or a full-on tablet, I might as well just get a tablet, because it could do both. It could be both an ebook reader and a multimedia device with enough power to do little things here and there, right? Like a substitute mini laptop. If I order the keyboard case or an alternate keyboard case, or if I plug it in, or I pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard, I could plug the S7 onto a external monitor. Anyways, here I go again, off topic and on a tangent. Let's open it up. There's 2 pieces of tape here on the bottom that we have to cut. Okay, so after cutting up the tape, we are ready to open this. All right. So right here, right up the very top, is the tablet itself. Feels very solid right now in the hands, even though it's covered by this plastic, or eco plastic or whatever, covering the tablet. Let's just put it aside real quick and see what else we get. Here is the S Pen, and this is it's got a good feel and grip to the S Pen. Very grippy, almost rubbery feel on the S Pen. And then here's your charging brick. It's only rated for, I think, 15 watts per hour or something like that. So you can pause that and read it for yourself. And then I don't know why we have this. Is this for the SD card expansion? Because I know it looks like one of those, key for a SIM card tray, right? a little pin. You get your instruction manual or quick reference guide inside this little box. And that looks like it's about it. Anything else underneath here? Oh yeah, should also have the USB-C cable right here. So that's it. But I don't think I'll need these since I have plenty. But just because I have a few of these chargers and USB-C cables lying around does not excuse Samsung for not including it when other companies are still including it with their devices. Other companies being like, your OnePlus and your Huawei and Xiaomi and things and other companies like that. So no, Samsung does not get a pass for that. Anyways, all right. Okay, you guys ready to unwrap this thing? Because I'm ready. Let's do this. So I have the Mystic Black. Actually, that was the only option. It came in for $566 at Walmart.com. This is the Mystic Black, although it looks more grayish than black, which is pretty nice. It also comes in, I think, blue and also the bronze, or what I call the rose gold color. Feels very solid. So the whole back is a whole slab of, I'm going to say, metal, aluminum. And then here in the back too is your flash. This is probably your 5 megapixel ultra wide camera and then a 12 megapixel regular camera, or the main camera. And up here in the front is mostly all screen except for some small bezels here on the side for you to hold it. And then right here up front is also the 8 megapixel, 8 megapixel front camera, selfie camera. If you were to hold the tablet this way, on the right hand side is your on switch plus the fingerprint scanner. And then this is your volume knob, I believe, your volume toggle switch, I think. And so here is the little slot for the probably to add your micro SD card. And then here on the bottom is some pogo pins for if you're gonna buy the case, the keyboard case. I don't know what that is. That's probably another connection for the keyboard case. Same thing with this part right here. And then here on the sides, say this left side or right side, is your speaker grills. You have one on the top, one on the bottom, your USB-C port, and up top here is probably some microphones, and then your other speakers, your bottom speakers and your top speaker right there. So that is that for the unboxing on this Galaxy Tab S7. Nothing much to it. No frills, no thrills, nothing extras. But the one good thing I like with Samsung is that you already get the S Pen, so that's good, because I do like to doodle and write and do to-do lists and stuff on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and now I can do it on this Galaxy Tab S7. I will probably, not sure yet, because I did see a few online, some skins for the Tab S7 and the S7 Plus. Oh, and here in the back is that strip for where you can put the S Pen right there to hold the S Pen in place, as you can see. Okay, so that is that. Yeah, in the future, I don't know, I might make a skin for it like I did with this Asus VivoBook Flip 14, or I might just order a skin for this carbon fiber skin. Anyways, also here in the back, might have missed, is your AKG branding for the speakers. It's tuned by AKG, and then your Samsung logo right there, or Samsung branding. And that's pretty much it. I could tell already it is kind of a little bit of a fingerprint magnet, because I could see fingerprints right here that I already probably put on it. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up putting a skin on this, but I have to see first how the case will look. And I'm getting the different keyboard case. The one, it's not from Samsung, but it is a keyboard case nonetheless. And at least this one, the big thing with Samsung is they, for $130, I think, for the keyboard case on this one, they don't even have backlighting. That was one of the big complaints. The one that I ordered actually does have backlighting, so you guys will see how that looks when I get it in. So when I get that in, I will show it to you guys here on this channel. So that is pretty much it for this unboxing. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.